Yeah, it's a good look. Fully active, man. You have to know what you do. Final touch. Mash up this, Fried chicken, rice and peas, brown stew turkey neck with some tomato cut up on the side. Yard, man. Wagwan now. What's up, my beautiful people? Big up on yourself whether on the yard or abroad. I'm up on the road from there. I'm forward in and I decide say, yo, I cook my dinner, you see it. But I say I do it for my gas stove, but I say no. Sunrise, a long time I give them an outdoor cooking in the night. So them can hear the nature sound, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, in a real life. So I look at season them I work with. But they don't have all them, they cut up already. Because some more day if you cook that food, there are no peeps. And yeah, when I never get to cook it, you see it. So, I decide, so yo, I deal with it tonight and I couldn't see what I go on. Yeah, man, so I want to fry some chicken. And I want brown stew some turkey neck. Yardman style in the night. You see it right now around 7 o'clock, so I don't know when I don't cook. And you see rice there. Cornmeal, you know, I want to cook some cornmeal and mackerel for the animals them. Yeah, I want to use the same meat water. When they done clean up the meat and stuff, the water will leave. Yeah, man, I use it. Cook the animal them food. Yardman style. So I just show you how enough people live in Jamaica and how them still live in Jamaica, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, because back in the days when I grew up, all them hours I cook with food, enough time I outdoor pan coal stove. Yeah, man, enough people use wood fires in this. Yeah, this is the wood fire, you know what I mean? Make the pot black, but now watch that. The food nice. That's why when I go put the pot on the fire, you have to ashes it. You have to fab it, you know what I mean? So, it's easy to wash off. But see, I have my peas the dog on pressure. You know, the pressure cooker not too active. As what I say, yardman style. Yeah, man. The pressure gone left the pot. So I just pot that, so the peas need go a pressure, but it a cook. You understand? Yeah, man. The pressure gone left the pot. So I just pot that, so the peas did it. A cook, you know, yardman style, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, you see by cooking pan this whole heap of wood fire with the pressure cooker, it damage the rubber, so you mash up your pot. Yardman style. But me no watch that still. So right now what I want to do, I want to start clean out my meat here now. And chop up the turkey neck and season it. And I want to put on next, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, I also want some more fire tick. So I get some more fire tick too, so I show you where I get my fire tick them, yardman style. And I just carry the fire more wider, yeah, cause a whole heap of things I have to cook, so I not go work with the one burner. Yeah, man, I not go work with the one burner peeps, so I carry it look more wider, so 2 pot can hold pan it one time, yardman style. See it here now. Meat chop up. So you know, time to season. Remember I said they have all of them in the fridge, so onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, sweet pepper, hot pepper. Yeah, man, all of them they cut up already. So I just throw them over it. And still I put some more garlic, because you don't know, garlic can't too much for your food. And you hear the real nature sound, my peeps. Yeah, man. Yardman style, man. Cut up some garlic pan. And I think we can cut up half a scotch bonnet pan it too, make it go fry up. All of them here, I go fry up with the turkey neck, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So I deal with some rice and peas and turkey neck, fried chicken, yardman style, in the night, yeah. Put the scallion pan it too. Wash out the scallion. peas are supposed to cook too, you know. Yes. This is how we talk about pepper. In some same speed. Cut one half a scotch bonnet pepper in it. Yardman style. So see it up grapes. This having every little thing you know, you see it. Your man, your scallion, your thyme, your onion, your garlic, everything in it. So what I do you know, we have some seasoning, yeah man, some all-purpose and jerk seasoning mixed up together. Yeah, yardman style. You know what I mean? Then we just do this. Then I make sure so all our meat get some seasoning. Yeah, and when I say it's seasoned up, see, very pretty. And as you say it's seasoned up, you got some bops here now. And you're browning. Yeah man, you just throw your browning over in. You don't want too much, you know. And you don't want a little bit, because remember brown stew, so you don't want it to white. And you don't want too much browning, because you don't want it to black. You want it to brown. Yes, so you see it? Yeah man. Same look. Pretty. Yardman style. So this ready for go up on the fire. Yeah man, fully active. So I catch up the fire now. Put on this. To make this go and fry up. Then when it done fry up, I throw in some water and make it cook down. Yeah man, fully active. The oil in a pot I get hot you know. I fry up some ginger. Thyme. Yeah man. You know what I mean? So all of this I got throw in it, but look pretty. Yeah man, yardman style man. You see it? Yeah. Take the time and throw it in. See that? Yeah, stir in. Yo, it look like it cook already though. Yo, no like peeps. It look like it cook already. Pretty. Yardman style. Sunrise Boss production. Yeah man, it look like it cook already man. Yeah, see. So you just cover up the pot here now. And make the fire on the pot. Do the work. Yardman style. And see me take off the peas off the fire. So let me see what I go on with it. Yeah man, it look like the peas cooked too, you know. So I line up the next fire here now. So I can start cook the rice or start fry the chicken. Yardman style, is it? Sunrise Boss production. Just do the right thing. Subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah man, everything active. Fully active. Runner, so I have a big heap of fire stick, see them? Yeah man, one whole heap of fire stick. So I just come jar out when I'm ready and cook my food. When I don't want to cook from my gas stove, save my gas. Yardman style. You see it? Yeah man, whole heap of fire stick, all different size. Yeah man, we have some guinea, we have some mango, and we have some gooseberry. Yeah man, hurricane blow and blow down all of them. So I just cut them up and pack them up. Because I know so I have use for them. Yeah man, so see them, I have 4 nice pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I want no more, I come for more. Because as you see, I have a whole heap. Yardman style. What I'm gonna do here now, see, you see that iron, if you notice, see there long gone way over there. I want a little part there so I can draw the block there and make the iron reach at least to the block of that, to the end of the block there and the end of the block there, so I can have more space. Because see me have the fire tick them here. So what I'm going to do, I take off my piece pot, rest it one side and draw the block them more wider. So I can turn the fire on a 2 burner. What I tell us, yo, this smell good, you know. And it also looking good, you know. Yeah, man, it's a fry up, man. Yeah, man, Yardman style. So it's a fry up pretty, you know. Yeah, a sub brown stew fill up, man. So when we throw the water upon it to make the gravy, yeah, the meat now I'm gonna turn back white. You see it? Yeah, man, just watch and learn. Active, reactive, Yardman style. So I'm gonna draw the block them and now I make the fire wider. Now the block them gone wider, I can make my next fire to put on my rice there so. I'll fry my chicken, Yardman style. So you see how easy me turn it in a 2 burner and I can continue and turn it all in a 6 burner. And then I just draw some of this fire here, put over here so. Yeah man, spread the fire. I hit that, you know. So easy. So easy, turn 2 burner, my peeps. Yardman style, man. See the fire them are burning red. Yeah man, I change around, I put the meat pot over there so. And I put the rice pot here so. Fire come like it a touch the pot angle. I don't want to burn off the angle. Like I tell you, say fire damage. You see it? Yeah man, too much big fire upon the pressure cooker, man. Damage. But look there, Jesus, peace. It a bubble up. Yeah man, so up here so you know say me have some scallion and thyme and pepper. Yeah man, nice. Put in them there. In your rice and peas pot. Yardman style. And you know hours you know so I can't bother go grate on a coconut or blend no coconut. So I'm going to use the milk, Yardman style. Throw the milk, whisk him out. So no lump no left in it. Yeah man, see it there? No lump. Yardman style. See it? Yeah man, so I just make the milk cook for at least 5 minutes. Then I wash the rice, put in. You see it? Yeah man, so I make the milk cook for 5 minutes. Then I put in the rice. Fully active. What going over here so? Pot of bubble. Pot of bubble peeps. Yeah man, looking good. Come on, see it? Come on, fully active man. Can go and cook down. Yardman style. Just done wash your rice. Yeah man. If you don't wash your rice, the food can't taste nice. Yardman style. So wash your rice and I put in a pot. Remember to season up your pot too, you know. Yeah man, can put in salt, put in butter, put in a couple of the little seasoning to make my rice and peas taste nice. Yeah man. But I didn't do that for the camera. You know what I mean? So remember put in your little salt, your little oil or your little butter with your little seasoning what you like. Yeah man. This is rice and peas. Not peas and rice. No sir. We cook the peas. When it cook, we throw in the coconut milk and then throw in the rice. Yardman style. See it? The money just cover up the pot with the fire and the pot do the work. Yeah man. And remember when I cook rice, you don't want a whole heap of water. So you have to know your right measurement of water if you spoil the rice. You see it? Yardman style. So I just cover up this here now. Let the fire and the pot do the work. Look what I go on here so. Man, this a bubble. I'm going to go full jar of my dinner. Alright, as soon as this cook go down, yeah man, the meat then supposed to cook. I just add in some water. So, meat them a cook here now. So what I do in the meanwhile, season up the chicken, because you know, so I have the chicken, I go and soak in some vinegar water. Yeah man, so you know the thing go. I take them out here now and season them, make the season go and soak in it. So as soon as the rice or the meat done, we can get them to fry, yardman style. Some chicken them throw out the water. Yeah man, see them there. 2 pieces of hip and 2 pieces of wing. Yeah man, season it up here now. Then I go fry them, you see it. Yeah man. Season them good. So 2 pieces of wing and 2 pieces of 2 pieces of thigh. But you know, we no bother say thigh, sometimes we say hip. But yeah man, wing and thigh. See it, well seasoned up, so the season going to soak in them. Soon time for fry them. Yeah man, yardman style. Rice patter go on good same way. See, them have to move some of the fire tick them in up peeps. Yeah man, have to turn down the fire turn up too much in a real life. Open the rice pot still and see what go on. Yeah man, see what go on. I'm taking time of steam on. More fire up on that side there, so that's why you see over here. So I dry out first. So you know what I gotta do? I gotta turn the pot, you see it? Yeah man, turn that side there to that side there, cause more fire there over that side there. So if you notice, that side of rice I dry out. So I go turn the pot. So over here so can dry out too. Yardman style. Now I turn the pot. So you see different to me I tell about. Whole light I go dry out there now and start steam the right way. I know I not taste the turkey neck yet, but it's supposed to cook. So I taste it here now and cut up my carrot and Irish and throw in it and season the pot. In a real life, you know that I final touch. But look, see water take time to dry out. Yeah man, fully active man. You have to know what you do. Yeah man, taste a while ago. And you know it cook, you know. Make the gravy you now. Yeah man, this is just some mixed vegetable. So look, you can see carrot, can see sweet corn, can see string bean. You can see that look green bean there, I don't even know her name. But yeah man, drop him in there. Yardman style. And you know me have some Irish and sweet pepper and tomato cut up. Also drop them in there. Story pot. You make all of them I go cook down. And you throw in whatever season you want throw in. Your taste pepper already, you know, so let me take out that pepper here. Cause your pepper no Rastafari, yeah man. Scotch bonnet pepper. Gravy, well pepper meat, well pepper. So see you know. Yeah man, I make all of them I go cook. Yardman style, you see it? Yes I. And you know rice are going good to do. Yeah man. If it help steam it down, you know I put a piece of file paper over it. If you don't have no file paper, you can put a plastic bag. But I like the file paper. Yeah man, see it there? Taking time as steam come down. Yeah man, fully active. So as soon as that done, you know me I go fry the chicken and make the rice taking time go and steam. Yeah man, in real life, see chicken well seasoned up and ready for fry. So what I'm doing now, yeah man, I flour the chicken. Yeah, then I put in the hot oil. Yeah, now the oil I have some onion and scallion I fry up. You see there? All of the chicken in the pot now. Yeah man, flour them before I put them in. So right now, chicken them a fry. Yard man style. So you know say food upon done in now cause this almost done. And the rice done cook already. So you know it's a good look. Yeah man, just wait for this to get thick up some more. You know what I mean? But that almost done in my peeps. So we just, as soon as the chicken done fry, food ready to eat, yardman style. Yeah, it's a good look. Chicken almost done fry. That me I talk about gravy get thick up and nice. And rice done steam. Yeah man, so you know say next time you see me, I eat some food my peeps. Cause I just give them chicken at least the next minute. Then I take them out, share out the food and start digging it. Yardman style, you see pre? Yeah man, outdoor cooking, just remember, subscribe to Sunrise thing. Yeah man, fully active man. See there now, caramel a ton. The animals them here now. Yeah man, turn some caramel now. On some low fire. For the animals then yardman style, you see pre? Yeah man, fully active man. Final touch. Mash up this you know. Fried chicken, rice and peas, brown stew turkey neck with some tomato cut up on the side, yardman style. Time for dig in a plate hot you know. So make sure put it on my shirt, tomato. Yes, so I go on you know. You sell off. But me tell you say them pepper are bad. Now taste the pepper. But otherwise, it's nice. Trouble here. It's active man. Just do the right thing and subscribe to the channel as you pray. Remember tell a friend to tell a friend. One of the mountain rice done already. Yo. I tell you, yeah man. If you can't cook, you better learn to cook. Taste the turkey neck and all too. Mm-hmm. 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 All of the flesh, just I leave the bone. Say your name time the turkey neck cook. Bell pepper, man. The man I throw the bone to nothing. Yeah, man, you active, man. Just do the right thing. Subscribe to your channel. Remember, tell a friend to tell a friend about the hard man cooking. Just say active, I believe, better believe. You better believe. Take out a chicken wing. Chicken well fried and taste nice. If you like it, subscribe to the channel. When the animal food done cook, tomorrow we give it to them. So you know it will go fully hot. You must go put it down for you cool. Want some water, you know. So, this bomb. Yes, Father God. Bless the hand that provide in every farm away in a real life. Grandma, the like and subscribe to the channel. I'm out. One food not so nice. Meat just a little bone. Well seasoned to the bone.